Welcome to Product Critique. In today's video, we're diving into the best jewelry cards for packaging. The Boomiboo Earring Display Cards Set. Whether you're a small business owner, a craft enthusiast, or just someone who loves to organize their jewelry beautifully, this set could be exactly what you need. Let's start with what you get. This Boomiboo set includes a generous 100 earring holder cards, 200 earring backs, and 100 jewelry bags. That's enough to package and present 100 complete sets of earrings or combinations of earrings and necklaces. Right away, it's clear this product is designed with practicality and value in mind, making it ideal for anyone selling handmade jewelry or preparing for a craft fair. The cards themselves are made of super thick, high-quality cardboard. They're biodegradable and free of any harsh bleaching agents, keeping them environmentally friendly while still being durable. That's important because flimsy cards can ruin the presentation and protection of your jewelry. These ones hold their shape, resist bending, and provide a clean, professional look that enhances your jewelry rather than distracting from it. Each card measures 3.54 by 2.4 inches. Just the right size to be compact but still display earrings or even a necklace clearly. The design includes 2 pre-cut holes for earrings and 2 slots for necklaces or other accessories. This thoughtful layout makes the cards flexible for different kinds of jewelry, whether you're showcasing studs, dangles, or delicate chains. Whether you're handing out jewelry at an event or shipping to customers, these bags protect the pieces while still letting them shine through visually. It's a nice touch that really helps elevate the overall presentation. Now let's talk about versatility. The Boomiboo set isn't just for earrings. You can use the cards and bags for necklaces, bracelets, or even as price tags and branding displays. They're ideal for birthdays, weddings, Mother's Day gifts, or even engagement favors. If you're creative, this set gives you the tools to turn your jewelry packaging into part of the experience. In terms of appearance, the brown craft paper has a natural, earthy vibe. It's branded and neutral, so it fits with any aesthetic. Whether your jewelry style is modern, boho, rustic, or vintage, these cards won't clash, they'll complement. There's a reason this set is labeled Amazon's Choice. It delivers high-quality, thoughtful design, and excellent quantity at a competitive price point. For crafters, small business owners, or even people organizing their personal collection, it checks all the boxes. If you want your jewelry to look as good in its packaging as it does on your customers, this is the set to get. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what packaging products you want us to review next. See you in the next one.